If you're thinking about getting an automatic litter box, you're probably wondering if it's kitten friendly, how the app works, and what type of litter should you use. The PARUUNTys self-cleaning litter box is designed to make litter box maintenance much easier with its automatic self-cleaning function, its quiet operations, large capacity waste bin, safety sensors, and a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi compatibility for app control. One question shoppers ask is whether kittens can use it. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendation, age, and weight guidelines before introducing kittens to an automatic litter box, since very young or small kittens may not be ready yet. Another common question is how the app works. Thanks to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, the app lets you monitor and manage capable functions right from your phone, making it easy for you to track cleaning cycles and maintenance without constantly checking on the unit. People also ask what type of litter to use. For the best performance, use the litter type recommended in the product instructions to help the self-cleaning system work properly. Why choose PARUUNTys? I like the automatic self-cleaning system, the quiet operation, large capacity waste bin, open top design, odor control, safety sensors, and included liners, all in which make daily maintenance much easier and more convenient. I received this product for honest feedback, and if you're looking for a self-cleaning litter box with smart app control, quiet performance, and a multi-cat capacity, this is definitely worth checking out, and the link is in the description.